Hi, this is Taz Virk from Realty One Group Capital.
Preview.
Today is Sunday. I'm doing an open house, a beautiful townhouse in Herndon, Virginia, 309 Cherry Court. Please come and check it out. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek, and it's going to sell very fast. And it's a very good price, $399, and 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bath with finished basement and a nice backyard and a deck. So it's ready to go, ready to move in for first-time buyers. Check it out. And I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. It's granite countertop and really pretty and nice backyard and nice brick fireplace. Deck. There you go. Come and check it out and call me if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.